Unit 1. Language Basics. Lesson 1. Basic Sentences. Vocabulary. Listen and repeat.
Hello. Goodbye.
A man. A woman.
A boy. A girl.
Men. Women. Boys. Girls.
The boy is eating. The boy is drinking.
The boy is running.
The boy is reading.
They are swimming.
They are cooking.
They are writing.
He is writing.
She is writing.
They are writing.
He is running. He is eating. She is drinking. She is reading. They are cooking.
They are swimming.
Lesson 1. Basic Sentences. Speaking. Listen and repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The girl is eating. The girl is drinking. The boy is eating. The boy is drinking.
The girl is drinking. The boy is drinking. The girl is eating. The boy is eating. The man is running.
The man is reading.
The woman is running.
The woman is reading.
The girl is drinking. The girls are drinking. The boy is eating. The boys are eating. The man is drinking. The men are drinking. The woman is reading.
The women are reading.
The girl is running.
The woman is swimming.
The girls are running.
The women are swimming.
She is riding.
He is writing. They are writing.
He is swimming.
They are swimming.
She is reading. They are reading. Hello?
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 1. Basic sentences. Pronunciation. Listen and repeat.
Eating. E. Ding. Eating.
Reading. Ding. Reading.
Cooking. Co. King. Cooking.
Running. Run. Ning. Running.
Swimming. Swim. Ming. Swimming.
Drinking. Dring. King. Drinking.
A boy.
A man.
A woman. Wo. Man. Woman.
Men.
Women. Men. Women.